Hello and welcome back to my channel. And what are we learning today? We are going to learn this, how to make a ceiling stamp at home. So for that all you need is some cork and some these stamps which I have made it myself with M seal. You can make it with air dry clay or whatever clay is available with you. So these cork I got from the market. It is available online also. You can get it from Amazon. And these beautiful designs, I made it from the mold which I have. I have a silicone mold which I got from Amazon too. And with that, I made these beautiful designs. And now I will be sticking it on the cork. See, these are the designs I just wanted to show you. So pretty, so beautiful. And some frames and some just outlines, and these are my favorite silicone mold. So I work a lot on this with clay work and all that. So this is how I got my design. You can also make your stamps with this is the full flower pattern. You can make your stamps with glue gun also, but I have not tried, so that's why I just cannot suggest so much. So let's begin and stick uh, the stamp, the designs on the cork. Okay, so I will just I thought it will be better if I stick it with glue gun, because that glue is the strongest one and the quickest one. It doesn't take much time to stick. And I made so many stamps. And it really, if you're a crafter, it really helps you a lot. You don't have to keep buying things from the market. I always prefer making things by myself. So this is how I just got the idea of making some stamps all by myself, and I use it for my clay projects too. The earrings which I make, the clay plates which I make. So it really helps me in all that. So you can also try making all these. Sometimes some stamps, they don't work so well with the wax, because if the wax is hot and you put your stamp on it, it it gets inserted inside, and the design doesn't come out. In fact, it gets stuck. So let me just fix all of these and then we are going to. Okay, so now let's heat little wax. I have taken soy wax. You can take the normal wax too, but you have to mix little soy wax with that. And actually my suggestion is that you mix two waxes together, soy wax and the paraffin wax, two wax together, then only the consistency will come the best. But um, if you take the normal wax, then with that the paraffin wax, you have to mix little bit of beeswax, because that wax will become very stiff once you have melted. Soy wax is little soft, but again you have to mix little bit of beeswax with it, because my results didn't come out so well as I wanted. So it's better that you mix little beeswax with it. So you can add like 70% of soy wax and 30% of beeswax, like that, or maybe 20% of beeswax and 80% of soy wax, like that. Very little of beeswax is required. Now I have poured the wax on a butter paper, and before it dries, like when it's just 80% dry. See, this is the one I was showing you, um, because the wax was very hot and I just placed my stamp on it, so it came out like this. Now you have to wait for the wax to cool down a bit. Once it, you just stir it for some time and automatically it will cool down. Wax doesn't cool very fast, so I'm taking it out with the spoon. Just spread it on the wax paper or butter paper, whatever you have, and spread it all over wherever you have space. And then also don't be in a hurry, wait for some time, and then you can put your stamps on it. Okay, now I'll just put place my stamps on it very lightly, because the wax is already hot. I mean, it's not very hot, but quite comfortable to place your stamp on it. You don't have to press it. If your wax becomes cooler and placing the stamp doesn't work on it, then you have to press a bit. Okay, so just place it on the stamp, and that is enough. It's more than enough. So now the wax has cooled down, so let's remove the stamp. The one you see behind I've already removed. So now if the stamp is not coming up, that means it is still hot. See, this one has cooled down, so it's come out. You can see the design, it looks so beautiful. You know, the charm of and the happiness of creating your own stamps and then seeing the results, it's so satisfying. You will realize it once you make it. So let's try some more designs. I will spread the wax and wait for it to cool down. Now it has cooled down quite a lot, but still it is not the consistency which has to be when you place the stamp on it. So let's wait for just few seconds and then I will put the stamps on it. Okay, I'll just do it in a fast forward too. Okay. Okay, now let's remove. See, can you see the design, the impression it has got? Wow, it's beautiful. If it doesn't come out, I'm telling you again and again, if it doesn't come out, then please wait. That means it is still warm. And the moment it becomes cool, it's going to leave the stamp automatically. The wax will leave the stamp. Now these stamps, how you can use? You can just make you can keep the pre-made stamp, pre-made designs of the wax and use it whenever you want with the glue gun. These are my candles. I hope you enjoyed the video, and do share my video with your family and friends. Till then, stay at home and take care of yourself. Bye bye. Take care.